For the Bassett, my original plan was to keep the original hardware and to gild it around the little detail areas to make it kind of modernized and special. Problem was when I started gilding it, it just didn't look good. It was just kind of blotchy, and I would have had to have gone really thick in order to really fill in the moldings, and it just didn't look right. So I decided to go ahead and paint it out. Problem was is now I didn't want to put the original hardware back on because I just didn't feel like that would make it a very modernized, special looking dresser. Even by painting the hardware, I wasn't feeling it. So I ran into a little problem because the original hardware left a bit of an imprint on the drawers, and I had already painted them. So let me show you my fix for that. Here's where the original hardware is. You can see there's a faint impression here. Normally, if I knew ahead of time that I was going to be changing out the hardware, I would fill this in. But I already had these painted out because I was going to use the original hardware. So I need to somehow cover this because my new hardware won't cover that area. So what I've decided to do is I got some washers. These are 1 1/4 inch, and I'm going to spray paint these gold. As you can see, I already have one spray painted, so I'll put it on here. I'm going to spray paint it gold, and that's going to cover that impression, and then this will go over it, and that will just be a back plate to my new hardware. So that's my solution.